Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? In today's video we'll be making a pastry and it's called sausage roll. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I make this delicious sausage roll, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Cooking with Afton. Also, I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video, and all my measurements and ingredients for this sausage roll will be in the description box down below. All right, I put like a little twist on the sausage roll. I have like a tomato cheese sauce inside the sausage roll, so it was so delicious. So I hope you guys try this recipe. So here is my ingredients for my delicious sausage roll. Enjoy, guys. Hey guys, these are my ingredients for my sausage roll. I'll be making a sauce to put inside of it. So I have a pack of sausage here. I cut it in half, and today I'll be using Annie products. She's locally made right in Guyana here. I'll be using her green seasoning and her hot sauce. If you guys would like to get any of Annie products, she sells them you can get them at Survival Supermarket, Bounty, Massey, and most of the Chinese stores. All right, so definitely go check her out and buy one of her products. And we have Italian sausage sauce, ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and some grated ginger. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour some oil in my pot. And I'm going to fry up my ginger. Now I'm going to pour in my sauce. A little bit of water. Give it a stir. So now you're going to flavor your sauce. So I'll be using some Annie green seasoning. And some Annie hot sauce, just a little bit. All-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and ginger powder. Give it a stir. Also, I'll be grating some cheese inside of it. That's good. I'm going to turn off the stove now. So I'm going to let this cool down, and then we'll go and make our pastry dough now. So to make our pastry dough, we have some ice water, shortening, butter, salt, and our flour. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour in my salt. Give it a mix. Then I'm going to pour in my cold butter. And my cold shortening. So now you're going to take your clean hands and you're going to mix this up. Mix the butter and the shortening into the flour until it till the butter and the shortening melt into the flour. So we'll be back. So I finished mixing in the flour, the butter, the shortening, and the salt. looking like wet sand. So now we're gonna pour in our cold water. So now I'm mixing in the water, and you're gonna roll it like into a ball. You can make like one big ball, or you can make like different balls. I'm gonna make like 3 balls with this ingredient here. Just keep rolling it until it's firm, just like that. So you put back the balls in the bowl. I got 3 big ones and a small one, and you can put this in the fridge for about half an hour, and we'll be back. So now I'm putting some flour on my countertop. You can spread it out a little bit. You can put some flour on your rolling pin, and then you take out one of the dough and you start rolling it, just like that. Then you take a pizza cutter and you can cut it like into a square. You can pick up the scraps. You can roll it one more time. And then you can cut it a little bit more. Then you put your tomato cheese sauce. Then you put your sausage. Then you take some water and you just roll the edges, roll it, and then you cut off pieces of the edge and the sides. And then you can take your water and just seal it, lock it in. And then you can take your fork and just press down the sides, both sides. I know it's looking like cheese roll, but it's not cheese roll. It's just that you're pressing down the sides because you want to lock in all of the tomato cheese sauce. Then you can take a knife and you're just gonna cut the top part. Then you can take your pan, put some butter in your pan. You put in butter in your pan because you don't want it to stick, or you can use a grease-proof paper instead. Then I'm going to take the sausage roll and then I'm just going to put it in my pan. So let's do another one here. You pick up the scraps, roll it back into a ball. Put it into a little flour, press it down, roll it again. Then you take your pizza cutter, cut it again in a square, roll it out a little bit more, and just cut it out. Perfect. Then you can put your tomato cheese sauce again, your sausage. Then you can take your water and put all the way around. Then you're going to close it in, seal it, cut the edges, take your fork, press it down. Then take your knife and cut the top. And I finished rolling out all of them. Then take some egg wash, and put it up top. The egg wash is going to give it a little color when it's baking. Then I'm going to put it in the oven to bake for about 22 minutes. So now it's baking in the oven there. I'm also making jerk chicken pizza, so you guys check out that video. And this is the end results for my sausage roll. It looks so delicious, guys. I hope you guys try my recipe. And also, you can go to the supermarket and look for Annie product, her hot sauce and her green seasoning. It's at Survival Supermarket, Bounty, Massey, and any Chinese supermarket. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe if you're new and give my video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.